Yeah, yeah.
I said it could be.
Yeah.
It's not. It's like
Well,
and he
no.
deals just fine with everybody else.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Faye. And I'm making a wide noises about it. So keep watching for next Tuesday video. I see you tomorrow.
Like I don't. I mean, I could see if like.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Faye. And this is my Princess and Pepper. Today I'm gonna meet Queen and Pepper someone to do. I don't think they're related to my Pepper is Chris. I'm making the King and Queen. Yep, that is Queen and Pepper Pigs. Whenever you takes. Anyways, I think it depends, Queen and Pepper Pigs. What's gonna be happening right now, and it's totally prepared. Another Disney The Lion King #1. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. On the count of three, you will press the button. So remember, I think it starts already. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. It's just prepared. Oh my god, this. But as you can see, the Queen and Peppa Pig forever do. Grow dear. A cheeseburger french fries. What is doing a funny cheeseburger? I think it doesn't have questions, Max. Hey! I think it's the definition of what a worthy. What is Angry Birds movie? Uh-oh. I think I messed up again. Actually, it's Queen and Peppa Pig. Actually, it's the Angry Birds movie. Wow! 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 Oh, what are you doing now? No. Wow!
You want me to shut that off?
No.
You better stop.
Sorry, Peppa Pig. Chilaga crappy. Let's keep watching for next Tuesday video. I said please. Ba, ba, ba. Oh,